As you can see, I have now completed the increases for my thumb wedge, and I have also isolated the extra stitches that I've increased on a piece of yarn. What we need to do now is to create a link or a bridge between the palm of the hand and the back of the hand at the back of the thumb. To do this, you increase 4 stitches using the knitted cast on method. You turn your work to the purl side, and you've got the left needle attached to the working yarn. To increase your stitch, insert the right needle into the last stitch on the left needle, yarn over, pull the loop through, twist the right needle away from you and the left needle towards you, and then insert the left needle in the loop of the right needle. Release the right needle, and the stitch is now placed on the left needle. To show you again, insert the right needle into the left needle, yarn over, pull the loop through. Hang on, I'll do it again. Twist the right needle away from you, the left needle towards you, place the left needle into the loop on the right needle, release the right needle and pull tight. Now you have done 2 stitches. Doing the third stitch, insert your needle, yarn over, pull the loop through, twist, pick up the stitch with your left needle. And again, insert, yarn over, pull the loop through, twist, and pick up the stitch with your left needle. You have now increased 4 stitches. Turn your work back to the knit side and knit the remaining 2 stitches on that needle. To tighten the first stitch up a little bit, knit in the back of it so that it becomes twisted, and knit the last stitch as normal. I will now knit another round until I get to this point, and then I'll meet you again. Here you've got the 4 new cast on stitches and 1 stitch before and behind the cast on stitches. The stitch in front and after the cast on stitches, I will again knit in the back in order to twist the yarn and make the stitches a little bit tighter. The new cast on stitches can be knitted as normal. And here you have it, one round over the cast on stitches. The final stage in finishing the wedge is by knitting over this another 2 rounds, and then by decreasing those 4 stitches to get back to the normal stitch count that you had before you started the wedge. This I will show you in the next video.